Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps on how to export miscellaneous data on the Telegram app for PC using the new update. If you've been curious about how to access your Telegram data safely and in just a few clicks, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From this menu, navigate down to the Settings option, click on it, and then move into the Advanced section. This is where most of Telegram's customization and data tools are located. When you're inside the Advanced section, scroll down until you find the option called Export Telegram Data. This feature allows you to download different types of information from your account, and with the latest update, the process is smoother and more organized. Now, you're going to see a list of data types that you can export. For the purpose of this guide, we only want to export miscellaneous data. So, make sure that all the other boxes are unchecked, leaving only the miscellaneous data box selected. Once you've done that, click on Export. Telegram will now process your request, and depending on the amount of data connected to your account, this may take a little bit of time. Don't worry. Just let it finish working in the background. After the export process is complete, you'll see an option that says Show My Data. Click on it, and you'll be able to view all your miscellaneous data neatly packaged and ready for you to explore. This can be really useful if you want to review certain account details or just have a backup of additional information that doesn't fall under main categories, like chats or media. And that's all it takes. By following these steps, you've successfully exported your miscellaneous data on Telegram PC with the new update. It's quick, straightforward, and helps you stay more in control of your information. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might need it, and keep an eye out for more step-by-step tutorials coming your way.